Hi Alice, what do you think about an advocate who defends a criminal suspect who has been caught on CCTV?
I think an advocate's job is not to protect the criminals or to protect the crimes, but it is to protect the rights that the criminals must receive.
Oh, I remember something. I once heard an advocate say that his job is not to free criminals. It was to test the evidence against them. If it was held up until that kind of scrutiny, then a conviction and penalty were warranted.
Yes, that's right. By the way, do you know the rights and obligation of an advocate?
I think the first is the obligation to comply with the professional code of ethics that an advocate must guarantee and protect his client. An advocate is also obligated to be honest and responsible in carrying out his profession. Responsibility is directed to the client, to the court, to the state or society, as well as to himself. An advocate should also not discriminate against his client based on the gender, religion, politics, descent, race, or socio-cultural background. What do you think?
I agree with you because in the eyes of the law, everyone has the same of equality.
That's right. What about rights that advocates have?
Regarding the independent rights of an advocate, from what I have read, they are free to voice out their opinions and make statements and carries out their duties. They also have to comply with the professional code of ethics and applicable law and regulations. Therefore, law on advocates prohibits the confiscation or examinations of case files and documents, as well as electronic monitoring of communicating tools used by advocates.
Oh, so they are very secretive.
Yeah, apart from that, I heard that advocates are paid by their clients.
Oh, from the website Career Development Center that I read, it was written that the salary of an intern advocate per month is 2 to 3 million rupiah. Then the salary of junior advocate or young advocate is 7 to 15 million rupiah per month. Meanwhile, for a senior advocate, it's around 20 million rupiah per month, and the salary for senior level advocate will depend on the advocate's experience.
Wow, that's a lot.
What about we find out how to become an advocate?
I know the requirement is that you must take special educations for the advocate profession, then take the advocate profession exam. Then you also have to do an internship of an advocate's office for more than 2 years, continuously at the advocate's office. Finally, you have to attend the appointment and oath of an advocate.
Whoa, that seems difficult to do.
And let's talk about the working environment of an advocate.
I think the work environment for advocates typically depends on their industry and employment type. For example, freelance advocates often have more flexibility with their schedules, where they can choose when they're available and how often they want to work.
In contrast, advocates affiliated with law firms tend to take on many cases at once to provide a range of legal services for clients. Unlike freelance or solo practices, law firms often provide a more steady amount of work to their employees.
Then that also means that their salary will be constant, right?
Yes, but in addition, the advocates working in law firms often spend long hours fulfilling the many job duties required for legal cases.
Oh, I see.
Yes, it's a very strict job.
But every working condition has its own positive and negative values.
I agree with you. Even stuff, it's also fun to discuss the legal profession.
Yeah, maybe we can discuss other job later.
I just remembered that I had something to do, so I'll see you later, Vic.
Okay, bye. Nice talking to you.
Bye!